friends, welcome to my channel Indian Herbal and Ayurvedic Remedies. I am with you, Pratim. Friends, today in this video I am going to show you a homemade hair oil that will help you to get rapid hair growth and also regrowth of hair. Now friends, the secret to hair growth, healthy hair is a very clear and healthy scalp, and this hair oil will help you to get that. Now friends, the main three ingredients that is used in this hair oil are Myrobalan or haritaki, fenugreek seeds or methi, and black pepper. Now all these ingredients will clean your scalp and make your scalp very healthy to support healthy hair growth. Now friends, I will tell you a few things about these three ingredients so you can get an insight that how these three ingredients works on your scalp and hair. Now first, Myrobalan or haritaki. It gives you a healthy scalp and hair. It treats a lot of scalp infections like dandruff, itchy scalp, fungal infections on scalp, and also it stops hair fall. It cleanses the hair follicles, and by getting rid of dirt and impurities, and thus promote hair growth. Now fenugreek seeds or methi. Now fenugreek seeds is very rich in iron and protein, and both these are very essential for hair growth. Now fenugreek seeds increases the blood flow on the scalp and thus nourishes the hair follicles, leading to faster and healthier hair new growth. In other words, it helps regrowth of hair. Now vitamin C in black pepper, it cleanses the scalp by removing the dead cells from the scalp and cleaning the scalp. Black pepper is loaded with vitamin A, vitamin C, folic acid and potassium and other nutrients, and these are very outstanding, plays a very outstanding role in promoting hair growth, and also it has dandruff fighting properties. So friends, you can see that the main thing for rapid hair growth and healthy hair is getting a healthy scalp, and this hair oil, if you can use regularly, will give you that. So friends, let's move on and see that how we can prepare this hair oil. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please like and share.